Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the evaporator motor fan blade in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new evaporator motor fan blade. The evaporator motor fan blade blows air through the evaporator coil into both compartments, cooling them down. A broken or loose evaporator motor fan blade will cause a noisy operation, partial frosting of the evaporator, and weak or no airflow, resulting in temperature to rise in both compartments. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer shelf, first we need to take off that stopper. Turn it over and just push it off. You may not have this one in your fridge because normally they would be used for the transportation. But if you never pull out the shelf from your freezer, that thing is most likely in place. To remove the shelf, we're going to slide it to the left, slightly rising it up at the same time, and lifting the right side up, and then we're going to pull the shelf out. So next we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver and remove this 2 1/4-inch screws, one on each side, so we can take off this cover panel. Lift it up slightly to free the bottom, and we're going to put it down, and then we need to disconnect that plug at the back, if you can see there by the wall. All right, I'm going to squeeze those tabs and pull the plug. I'm going to lift it up. Now we're going to take it out and put it on a workable surface. All right, let's work on this panel. We're going to disassemble it using the needle nose pliers. So we're going to turn this locking ring, and then we're going to remove it. Same thing on the other side. Turn it and remove it. I'm going to lift the panel up, and then using the flat blade screwdriver, and insert the flat blade screwdriver right in here, and then we're going to press on the metal to release the tab, and then we're going to slide it up to release the 4 hooks at the back. And then we can remove that control assembly. Lift up the panel, and then using the flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pry this blade off the motor shaft. Right. This is the old evaporator motor fan blade next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new evaporator motor fan blade on the shaft. Push it down all the way, as far as it can go. And then turn it to make sure it turns free. Okay, so we're going to install this air control. 4 tabs goes into 4 cutouts. And then we're going to slide it to lock. Turn it over, and then slide it in, and it locks. The tab on the top locks. All right, so next thing to do would be putting the locking rings on, and drop the ring on, and then using the needle nose pliers, turn them to lock. Alright, now it's ready for installation. Okay, let's bring in the panel with the motor, and we're gonna plug it first. See, the plug has 3D shape connectors, so they can only go into that plug one way. Connect the air duct, slide the top portion into the bottom, and bring the panel back. And then we're going to secure it with the 2 4-inch screws. Now we can install the shelf and install it into these 2 holes on the left. I mean, you can put it in the bottom or in the top. We had it in the bottom. So push it in and lower it down on the right and pull it to the right so it will fit into the openings. And now we can lock that shelf with the stopper. Push it on. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.